In this video, I'm going to introduce you to a very cool open source GitHub library, which is called as SuperAGI. This is a dev first open source autonomous AI agent framework, enabling developers to build, manage, and run useful autonomous agents quickly and reliably. I will also post the link to this repo in video's description. Let's go through its repo very quickly. As you can see, it has quite a good and useful documentation and comments along with each file in the repo. The best thing is that when you come down, it has also got a very cool installation video. One of the prerequisites for this Super AGI is to have Docker installed because it runs in a container. And this video also shows you how to do that, very simple, and they are doing it on Windows as you can see on your screen. Once that is done, you need to clone the GitHub repository as is being shown in their video on your screen. So once the GitHub repo is cloned, then all you need to do is to install it. As you can see, they have downloaded it after cloning it, and then if I forward it a bit, then there's a config template you need to copy, change some your Open API keys and stuff, or you can use Google API keys. So I will pause the video here and you can watch it on their GitHub repo. Also, if you come down, there are also some screenshots of it where the agent is in action and completing the task. You're giving it prompts and it is completing the task. Plus, setting up steps are also mentioned in this repo, which are very simple, as you can see on your screen. And you would also need these keys, as I mentioned above, that Open API key, Google API key, and then you can also create your own custom search engine for your application and give its ID here. I hope that you found it useful. If you have any feedback or if you have played around with it, please put it in the comment section. Thank you.